Hi, my name is Roger Schluter. This video is actually about how to apply for an SBA 504 loan. Now, I did another video on how to apply for an SBA 7A loan, so I thought I'd really do this one also. We can put out all the information about the 504 program, all the attributes of the 504, but really when it gets down to it, how do you apply for it? Does it magically just appear when you say the words SBA 504? I don't think so. So anyway, this is kind of a how to apply for it. And this will give you kind of a walkthrough on really how to apply and who to talk to. So anyway, applying for an SBA 504 loan is fairly easy. I have really shown that it's an easy 10-step process. So anyway, number one, your business needs to be a for-profit business that's receiving the loan. And this is good with all SBA loans. You have to be a for-profit business. Number two, you have to make sure that the asset that you're financing with the SBA 504 loan is a fixed asset. And that it really means that it needs to be land, real estate, equipment, or furniture fixtures. It's got to be something fixed. They won't do inventory, won't do working capital. So anyway, number three, you need a bank. You need a bank that will participate in the SBA 504 loan project. The bank will provide up to 90% of the capital until SBA closes their loan. And the bank will be providing 50% of the long-term financing after SBA closes their loan. So anyway, and I'm sure in doing this, you've already looked at all the rules and regs of the 504. You're just really looking at, how do I apply for this thing? So anyway, number four, you'll also be dealing with the CDC, a Certified Development Company. The CDC is a conduit between your company, your bank, and the SBA. All SBA 504 loans have to go through a CDC, to work with the SBA and your company and the bank. You have to go through a Certified Development Company. So anyway, most CDCs are really comfortable with the company going to the CDC before finding a bank. The CDC will really check the credit worthiness and the structure of the project, and they'll also help you find a bank. So, that can be, the CDC can be very helpful, even if you go to them first before you talk to a bank. Number five, structure of the SBA 504 loan. Usually the bank is financing 50% of the project using their current rate of interest. SBA will be financing 30 to 40% of the project for up to 25 years at a rate of 2% above the 10-year treasury rate, around there. The company, will have to put up 10%, 10 to 20%, but usually 10% in equity for this loan. And number six, I advise you to do a short business loan proposal before talking to a bank or a CDC. I have several videos on how you get a business loan, which includes writing a short business loan proposal. This is still a bank loan, to buy fixed assets. So it's still a loan no matter how you look at it. So anyway, number seven, you will have to fill out a proprietary application at the CDC. And this can be done before, during, or after you get your bank approval. The CDC will ask the bank for their credit memo and a bank letter that outlines the financing. The CDC will really use that data to write their own credit memo, and the rest of the SBA application will be, a lot of it will be taken from this information that they get from you or the bank. The CDC will have a loan meeting with a local loan committee that will approve the loan before the CDC can send that application to SBA. Number eight, SBA does have a job criteria of one job per $75,000 of the SBA portion of the loan. Manufacturing is one job per $120,000 of the SBA portion of the loan. If you do not create enough jobs, I really wouldn't worry. There's many other ways to meet that criteria, and the CDC can help you work with that issue. I don't know if we've ever had a loan that didn't go because of the jobs criteria. I don't think we've ever had it. Anyway, number 9, the SBA approval will be the SBA issuing and signing an authorization and debenture guarantee. This document will outline all aspects of the SBA 504 loan. Then number 10, the CDC and the bank will use the information in the authorization to close the SBA portion of the loan. They will also guide you to completion of the funding closing. That is it. Pretty easy peasy, man, I tell you. It's not very hard. And usually a good CDC will basically walk you through this, I guarantee you. So anyway, and the banks can go either way. I mean, you know, banks, some banks make more money on an SBA 7A loan, and we'll try to steer you that way. But you should have an idea of what type of loan you want, especially if it's an SBA. Have an idea what type of loan you want before going to the bank to have a good idea. And a lot of times just dropping that name, you know, dropping that, I'd like to get a 504 loan through the SBA, is enough for the banker to say, hey, yeah, I like that loan. Yeah, let's do it. So anyway, that's it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future videos. And then if you gained any knowledge, I hope you hit the like button. My name is Roger Schleter, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.